Edo State gymnastic coaches and athletes are major beneficiaries for the training program as foreign trainers don't begin to expose them to current trends without them not step out of their base. This one I make Federation of International Gymnastics (FIG) collabo with Union of African Gymnastics (UAG) organize 1-week gymnastic training program for Nigerian coaches and in the Shele for Samuel Gbamodia Stadium. Gymnastic coaches across states they participate for the Train the Trainer course for gymnastic coaches where them start on Saturday, October 7, 2023. Head coach Edo Gymnastic Association and National Oni Erunsel contrary salute to Edo State government where he take invest for sport matter and say belle Sweden wella where he take provide gymnasium where they rated for Niger and best for West Africa and say in they proud to be part of the working system and success story of Edo Sports Commission.
This has been able to attract what's a program to this like what we are doing now, the FIG training program, and we are all benefiting. The Edo State players and coaches they are benefiting.
Resource person from Canada, Rick Michels, contact say gymnasium for Samuel Gbamodia Stadium na ultra-modern and world-class facility and say the training program they aim to raise Niger level of participation and performances for world stage.
To arrive here in Benin City and see this ultra world-class modern gymnastics training facility. They've sent me to come and help all the coaches of the boys and girls from the young age up to the international level to raise the level of Nigeria.
Other people wey chook mouth for the training matter contact say
experts around the world, and I believe strongly that the coaches here has a lot to take back home.
The athletes that actually practicalize on the training they're giving them, our expert train that came for the training. So we have 32 in total.
Make una no forget say as we see them, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.